Welcome into our Wednesday's wacky. Excuse me. Uh, Wacky Wednesday Glitch Reality. We are going to be starting a playthrough from scratch of Satisfactory. I'm just checking the sound. Yeah, alright. And let's get going. Speak to you in a moment.
Separation from main transport complete. Group 8 delivered to Calistian region. All pioneers functional, initiating dispersion. Attention Pioneer, I am Ada, your personal instance of the artificial directory and assistant. Welcome to the Fixit Incorporated Save the Day program. A Fixit Pioneer has 3 core assignments. Construct. All pioneers must follow Fixit guidelines and instructions when constructing any building. Automate. Every pioneer is responsible for setting up and managing efficient pipelines, outposts, and power infrastructure. Explore and exploit. Fixit selected planets are rich with resources suitable for direct use or further investigation. Stay within your designated. And that is why the world is counting on pioneers like you. Fixit. Short-term solutions to long-term problems. Initiating planetfall. Atmospheric entry in 3, 2, 1. Beginning aero assist. Drag within acceptable parameters. Descent phase begun. Decelerating. Deploying parachute. Deploying backup parachute. Skipping parachute. Landing phase begun. Activating retro propulsion. Touchdown. Planetfall complete. Drop pod integrity nominal. Omni-situational exploration suit nominal. Pioneer. Acceptable. Congratulations, you are the third in your region to survive planetfall. Welcome to Massage 2, AB-B, in the binary system of Akicha. Loading objective-based introduction. Begin onboarding. First contact safety tool supplied due to presence of alien megafauna. Adhere to Fixit procedure and equip the Fixit Inc. Xeno Zapper before leaving the drop zone. Next objective. Dismantle the drop pod. Fixit Incorporated as cost-effective and efficient. We do not waste. The drop pod will be recycled to construct the first stage of the habitat and utility base, often referred to as the hub.
Which is a very nice feature in this game.
Next objective. Use the resource scanner to find and collect additional iron to be able to build the hub. If you cannot find iron, be assured scans of the planet have revealed sufficient iron sources.
We'll just collect everything as we go along. So I played this a bit. I am currently teaching my wife how to play it, and we'll be looking at co-oping a little bit down the line. This is just to start the basics. Sorry, I thought I heard something. The basic start or whatever, so that we can get a good foothold. I'll be also asking some other people to join me if they're interested in a bit of automation madness, and as the AI says, exploitation. I believe the metal was up there. Just let me know if the sound's okay comparative to voice. Don't know exactly if everything's alright still, but yeah. What's it, 167, 133? Yeah, up there. I'm thinking... Where am I? Yeah, I think we'll go this way. We love the fact that you can hold in your mouse and your collection button, and you can just go nuts collecting everything. Going over little tricks of trade and whatever as we go along. Here we go. Now we have to hurry up because it's also the Fixmas special going on at the moment. Or event. Oh, hey! Rudolph. There's a doggo. Okay, I don't have food for you, so... I'm not going to grab him right now. Let's grab that food.
Potential edible collected. Eating it and surviving does not count as a valid field test and does not generate enough data for Fixit to make an informed decision. Store this potential resource for later use.
Okay, we have hostiles that will attack. I don't have them on retaliate only. I do have them as aggressive as far as I remember, so they will not be happy to see me. You just crawl up to these guys and no problems. Pure limestone, nice.
Samples of unknown alien species acquired. It is unclear where on the flora or fauna spectrum it lies, but initial data suggests this might be a nest or an egg. Preserve the remains for later study.
Yeah, you can crawl up to them, and if you keep your crouching, you can actually jump towards them for a little bit more speed than the just normal crouch, and they still don't react to you. Alright, this is a pure node, which is awesome. This will be for our concrete. We have iron over here with an unfriendly. Let's go say hi quickly to it. Oh, apparently they don't set to retaliate. Sorry, buddy. You're dangerous.
Samples of interrupting previous message for higher priority message.
Oh.
Next objective. Use the build gun to construct the hub. Iron is a base component necessary for all near future progress, so ensure you build the hub close to iron sources. Fixit does not pay by the kilometer.
Okay. Where are we going to set up our hub? Hub. Now let's just clear out all the vegetation. Gonna need that for fuel. I think we can build up here. Looks about right. I like getting some height to be able to see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. let's put it over here. Start up here. We can always move it.
Hub foundation built. The hub terminal and crafting bench are only the humble beginnings of a successful Fix-It pioneer, but essential for the next steps of onboarding. Once finished, the hub will function as your base of operations. Next objective, complete hub upgrade 1.
Oops. Start deconstructing everything already. That would be really clever of me. I just need to check something over here quickly. Seems to be functioning. I see my auto mod took care of a little pain in the butt. But okay, here we go. Select master. Yep. All right. We need iron rods to upgrade. This is our. That will be for the milestones. This will let you upgrade as you go along to new technologies. Very nice. We've got this one selected, so we must just fill that out. Crafting, I'm gonna have to do this by hand for the moment. Just tap the spacebar and it will auto do it, so you don't have to hold anything down. Only thing is you can't move around in it because it will stop it from working. Okay. 10 rods. Just do that for now. Shift click for stack going, control click to move an entire everything in of that type in your inventory.
Hub upgrade 1, storage and frame, completed. Equipment like the portable miner can now be made in the workshop. Congratulations on completing your first milestone, the first of many providing access to new recipes and technologies for the Fix-It mission. Next objective, complete hub upgrade 2.
Upgrade 2 gives us the smelters and stuff. So we need 20 and 10. Okay, awesome. But I want to make. What do I need for the equipment? Let's put that onto do list. Wait. Yeah, it's called the to-do list. Just checking. All right. We need 6 plates and 4 rods. All right. So let's quickly make 4 rods and 6 plates. Right. Then we need 10 and 20. So we actually need 24 and 16. So I'm going to run out of steel for that. So I am going to make the equipment bench first. Holding control will make a snap to the location that you are, to any other buildings. So see, this is going to be where the launch thing is. That will be the generators. You'll see that later. I'm going to. Yeah, I did build this in a bit of a crappy spot, being the height story, but yeah, very crappy spot. Damn it, I'm gonna have to just place this over here for now. Something like. Can we get in line with this thing by any chance? Alright, let's dump that there for now. Okay, this is our equipment workshop. Where I can make, well, equipment. Yeah, we're gonna need 2 plates and 4 rods. Two plates. I'm just gonna make 1 for now. Now we're going to equip it. Our second slot. Oh, there's the present starting to drop. We'll worry about those later. Okay, let him start mining. Actually, while he mines, I'm gonna mine as well. Let the little guy go. So we're just going to mine a bit in conjunction with our little portable miner. So I can get a lot of material. Okay, 63 in this space of time. What did he get? Right, so more than 100. That's okay. We have to unlock the smelter as soon as possible to start doing smelting without us doing this by hand. And then moving on to the other components. Automation as soon as possible is actually very important. Unless you've got friends that can help you craft this something, you know, by hand for a while. So, but anyway, our wife is amazing. She crafts everything by hand. I'm like, it's gonna take too long, and then all of a sudden she's like, oh, I got 3, 4, 500 of this. Never mind. If you're good with that, go for it. These me to have to complete the very confusing, complex factories. Oy. I'm not too great at that. I'll get there, but I do have some plans that I've already made in the past, and some new ones I've found from others and modified. So I will have that on the side to help me remember what I used to construct. We're in the Rocky Desert, if anyone's interested. A little easier place to start. Thought it might be better because it's been a while since I played. I mean, I've been playing at the moment, just teaching my wife how to play it, but yeah, it's been a little rough on me remembering everything, and since my memory sucks, even harder. So I use visual aid. Okay, we're almost done with these ingots, then we can start. I think we'll do the hub upgrade immediately so we can look at getting the smelter. Alright, so we need... I'm going to make about half of this iron ingots into iron plates and the other half into iron rods. So that was 88 or something. I'm going to go about 40 odd. There we go. And we're going to make rods with the rest of the ingots. Alright, let's upgrade. Oops, right right mouse click will half your stack. If you hold and the right mouse and move around, then you'll get the specific stacking breakdown, a split option. There we go.
Hub upgrade 2, power and shell, completed. The
Okay,
smelter can turn raw ore such as copper and iron into ingots, and the biomass burner generates power when fueled. Fun fact, most of the native flora and fauna is compatible with Fix-It technology. Fueling the biomass burner with inappropriate materials will result in deductions or even cancellation of your yearly bonus. Next objective, complete hub upgrade 3.
Yeah, we're going to be needing some copper wire. I'll go look for that shortly. Yeah, so now we have a biomass burner at the back. It's only a 20 megawatt, so we have power to at least power up the simple setup. Let's quickly check the cost of our smelter. We'll need copper wire. So copper is wrong button on the list. Okay, that's far away. So we got one there. Okay, let's get some more. Oh no, equipment. We need some miners. We can make 10. We'll just grab 2 more. And then let's run our little butts. Oh, what's this? Ah, Caterium. Very nice stuff. We'll have to get loads of that.
Unknown metal collected. This metallic element is showing properties similar to those in Group 11 on the periodic table, such as high conductivity and malleability. Store this potential resource for later use.
Here we go.
Congratulations, you have found your first Fixmas gift package, which is, naturally, full of gifts, the basic part necessary for most Fixmas seasonal event activities. Don't forget to check the calendar or the man to see what you can do with these gifts. Or do forget, I don't care.
She's not a fan of Fixmas. Girl after my own heart. Or an AI after my own heart, but anyway. Oh, hey, we got company. You know what, I'm gonna change the setting here quick. Gameplay. Okay. I want them to be default. I want them to be pain in my ass, which now he's about to become a pain in my ass. Okay, let's tango. Yeah. There was only one of them up here, right? If I get my ass handed to me. Okay. Break that up. Get some copper. Oh! Actually, wait. Let's quickly get a little health back. Maybe a bite or two. And let's put that and actually put this down while we work. Love how they set up. It's so cool. The little details that make a difference. We get a lot of copper so we can... Actually, I don't need to get that much copper. Get the smelter going soon and we'll be fine. Oh, I need a miner first, actually. Yeah. This is an impure node. We'll take it all. Let's have a look around. A node or something there. Looks dark. Could be a coal node. There's also something over there. A nice coastline. Broken rock. I believe this is a rock that can be blown up later down the line once we have explosives. Okay, let's have a look. That should give us enough function with. I'm not going to collect the presents right now. And as we said, keep collecting. A little slight jump, always useful. You get some good speed when you do that. Wait until you get the... What are they called? It's these leggings that really awesome. Okay. Let's produce copper ingots. Yeah, enough. So let's actually get the requirement for wire so we can unlock to get to next hub.
Hub upgrade 3, interior furnishing, completed. The constructor can produce simple parts, and power poles allow for the expansion of the power grid.
That's what we need.
When you make the inevitable mistake, Fix-It's dismantling feature is designed to salvage all resources used during construction, in line with our zero waste policy. We understand that Fix-It pioneers are only human and thus prone to error. Next objective, complete hub upgrade 4.
Yes, conveyor belts, we need that. And a little extra. Right, so what I would like to do, let's see. I need more. Let's just put that on the list and put that on this so I can see. Hey, we need some more wire. I would like to make 2 smelters. I need the reinforced plate for the constructor, I believe. Let's double check that. Yeah, okay, let's focus the creation of some smelters here. Okay, smelter needs 8, got wire. And we need 5 rods so we can make 2 smelters. Ah, it's getting dark. So let's do a temporary setup. Let's do a temporary setup. I've got the power here. Get rid of anything over here. Assuming. Do is this in line? Kind of looks like it's in line. Okay. Just gonna do. Damn it, the rocks. Didn't think about that. Okay, it's gonna be ugly in the beginning. Right, this can produce metal. It requires 4 megawatts. This little sucker makes 20 megawatts, so we are good there. 8. Power pole, which needs concrete, so we need to make some concrete. We did pick up some. The limestone, so oh, I should actually. Okay, let's pick up that iron ore so you can continue. Let's quickly pick up the copper from the 2 miners over there and pick up one of the miners so I can dump it on the limestone, and I'm trying to slide uphill, which will not work. Pick you up, then I'll get the material from that, and I'll get the material from you. Nice that the foliage does. No, nothing. I want that. Okay, because I'll pick that one up. The fauna does return every so often. Let's get miner working here. This is a pure node, so that will be amazing. You get working. Let's just grab a bit from you. Let's actually work together. I need to get one constructor at least built. I need 2 reinforced and 8 cables. So I need to make wire to make cables, and I need plates. I'm not gonna need plates and screws. Screws, the bane of the existence of a pioneer. Okay, thank you. Yes. Yeah. Right. We want to smelt some goodies. We needed some concrete, which I do have now, so I can do this. It's a very basic setup. We do not have cable, so we need to make some cable. Damn it, so I have to actually process some stuff. I'm trying to avoid this part because it might be a little boring, but it's unfortunately part of the game, so we're gonna have to live with it. I'll process this copper ore to 100 ingots so I can make some wire and cable. And I'll process the iron ingots to make some plates and iron rods. Actually, no, I need to make iron rods to convert them into screws to make the iron plates. So yeah, I do actually need some iron plates and rods. Anyway, so same old, same old. So we can get the smelters up, then that will save us the ingot issue, and then I'll get one constructor up, then I can use that to manually feed it and then have it process what we need material wise. Be a bit quicker than me working here. At least I hope so. Think so. Should be. I don't know. But at least I can work in conjunction with the constructor, so then that's more materials made over time. So thank you. Now we do some iron ingots. This is where having a partner, having some friends, you know, colleagues in here is very useful. Build yourself a second crafting bench and then you guys can just go nuts. Basically what I would do is establish the basics up, but maybe even a nice, relatively efficient factory of the standard materials, your irons, the base coppers and the and concrete, so that when I have partners in here, we can start off with a good basis. I'm stocking up a lot of material. I must say one of my quote-unquote mentors is Total Eclipse. He does some very good videos. Well, he is very knowledgeable at Satisfactory, so... Okay, let's just make some wire. A lot of the builds I've based off the knowledge I got from him, or some Satisfactory content creator. I'm trying to learn more about manifolds and load balancing and whatnot. Production lines from another YouTuber, Gaming with Doc. An older gentleman, well, he's probably about my age, maybe a bit older than me. Let's just stop there, let's make that. He's pretty clued up on production lines for actual wheel factories and stuff. I believe he had some experience in assembly lines for Boeing, I believe. But anyway, go check him out, he's also pretty cool. Just right over the freaking head though for me, but anyway. And let's make some more concrete. Should be a good supply for now. Let's just get some. No, wait. Do the iron rods first, because the rods we have to convert into screws. What do we need? 12 screws per. Okay. get a good supply of screws and then we'll continue. I want to be able to make... I'll just have 2 reinforced plates in reserve. And have a... That should be enough screws to... Come on. Oh, I'm missing plates for that, I guess. Okay, let's make some plates. That should pop it into 4. Yeah, there we go. Let's make 2 quick. What broke there? Excuse you? Not enough space. Oh! Inventory space. Missed that. Just dump presents. Oh, and the meat from the creatures. Salt that to see. Okay. Oh, geez. Let's make 2 of these. And okay, let's quickly see now. We can make a constructor. Let's just see where we can make this constructor quick. Stop it here for now. Okay. Quick and dirty. I'm going to not be able to do this because I need more copper wire. So for now, we'll just hook up these individually. They're not in the neatest way. Constructor we'll set up to make need iron plates and rods. Let's do iron plates for the moment. Let's dump in let's dump 100 iron in that one and 100 copper in that one. Let's go get that wood and grass, leaves. We're going to use wood for now. So we have a good amount of it. It burns better than leaves. Obviously it's not the best, but there we go. Right, our max construction is going at 12, and that's because this guy is a 4 mil. Oops, megawatts. Yeah, they're all 12, never mind, stupid. There we go, 12. 1 wood, 12 per minute. So we should have a couple of minutes of functioning. Time of function. I'm going to put the Caterium in here as well. And that's the extra copper. Still got lime, which is a constructor. Okay. Now that can produce. Have all of that so we have supply. Okay, let's see what we can. We said the constructor is making plates. Alright. I need 75 plates. I can make the, I believe the concrete I have not got. So let's quickly finish off the concrete. 10. Sorry, I lie. I can see it there. I do have it. I need tables. So we need to make, oh, no, don't even need that too. I'm being a bit of a twat. Just need the plates. So let's, now I'll have to create plates. Oh, I need, sorry, I'm missing ingots. My bad, I didn't produce the ingots yet for that. So let's go. Can I produce another constructor? I have the power for it. Just need 2 more. I can make another. Middle mouse button will copy the building you're looking at. The only problem is I have on the fatal flaw of hooking up a distribution point. So let's just, oops, let's just do that to cut everything off. Yeah, everything's going to shut down. This will be a distribution point, and we're going to pump it to this. which is gonna need another carrier. Okay. Yeah, I need more copper wire for that. That was a moronic move. Okay. I'm always forgetting the connection in and then the connection out is gonna take up a spot each. Oh, right. Get the smelters to keep going. Let me just get some copper wire. Okay, so I can build a second post. Apparently red rotting, I need rod. It's gonna be the thing that happens. Oh dear, okay. Let's do that. Get a couple of rods. I think that's it. Am I being stupid? No, here we go. Okay. Right. Go, you two. Right, you are going to produce copper for me. Yeah, I have this along. I'll take that load so it's not full and fill you up. And you are sitting needing more ingots. Still a bit. But we should have. Nice. Let's put more iron in you. More copper in you. It's going to be a little bit of rigmarole now doing this, but at least we can have that being produced in. Producing the plates I need for the milestone, and this can produce the wire I need for the moment. And I could just process some of the raw material that's on me at the moment to make things a little easier. I'll make all this wire and produce it into cable, so I've got a cable for the moment. Should go collect the copper and the iron that's in the portable miners. Oh, and the lime. Leave that as is for the moment. Let's quickly check how's the production going here. It's going. It's going. Fast. Fast. Alright, let's pick up this miner's material. So you can carry on. And we hop our way to the copper. Go. Careful sliding down here and jumping, because you may jump too far and then hurt yourself. Oh right, I need to get the metal. The iron ore. No, I didn't mean like that, I mean that. That's what this little guy's for. Up you up. Up you up. Grab that. Grab that. Dump that. And that. Ready at 84. I'll take the wire. How's the cables going? 48, I got 92, we can finish the... Alright, we have, yes, our customization. Let me get my working girl out. So, preset. Doesn't have my preset yet. Oh, I thought it saved it across the... show it. Alright, well, now overalls was... was more like that. Darker. So small. Something along that line. Something like that. And the toilets. Alright. Let's see. Oh, right. I was going to...
Hub Upgrade 4, Landing Platform and Utilities, completed. Conveyor belts connect the output of one building to the input of another and transport resources. Due to past incidents, I have been asked to issue a clarification. Portable miners, obviously, do not have a connection for conveyor belts. There is nothing to suggest, visually or functionally, that they can be connected to portable miners. If this is something you struggle with, do not worry. Fixit has alternative uses for all their pioneers. Next objective, complete Hub Upgrade 5.
That's sliding platform, somewhat. Yeah, we need 75 rods. Keep doing something. Add that in, take that out. Add that in, take that out. Drop that in. And drop that in. Take that. Take that. Yeah, we need cable and we need rods. So I'm gonna switch this way out. Switch it out for a sec. Let's make it produce rods. I think I'll continue to process the cable myself. Once we got the miners, then we can start really automating. We have enough wire cable for that actually, so there we go. We have enough concrete, and I just want to check. We should have 2. No, that's the next upgrade. We'll get 2. Topped up. Oh, you need more iron. Alright, I'll be with you a moment. And you need more copper, which will be a little bit longer. Okay. Thank you. Get that in there so I can get the iron for the rods. 71, I need 75. We can start to automate the stuff will be good. Thank you. Let's check the biomass burner now for materials. Make sure we're still optimal in our production. Thank you. Ingots, yeah, load that in there. I know the limestone miners are obviously full by now as well. Let's make some more concrete with the limestone I got on me. And then we'll check the biomass burner. forklift. Does this one look again? Right. The miners, which is necessary. Yeah. That. That. Let's grab that wire and grab that iron rods. Keep the flow going. Maybe I can make some. Yep, I can make some rods myself. Actual fact, ain't enough. Dunzo.
Hub Upgrade 5, Power Expansion, completed. The miner, unlike portable miners, can be connected to conveyor belts and requires power to function. Caution: as you expand, the energy demand of your production may exceed the capacity of your power grid. The onboarding program was established because Fix-It pioneers often experience memory issues after planetfall. If you are experiencing nosebleeds, nausea, existentialism, or an itchy scalp, there is no need for concern. This should pass within 5 to 7 workdays. Next objective: complete Hub Upgrade 6.
I'm gonna keep this one in reserve, filled up, so when that runs out, then it can just switch over and the other one will power everything. Yeah, what do I need now? Let's just check. Up 6. Biomass and biomass burners. This is what we need. Okay, so we need 100. Okay, well that's done. That's done. Plates we need more, rods we need more. Okay. It's not. Oh, in that fact. Now this one can keep making wire, it's fine. This might as well make more rods because that's the one I'm missing the most of. Let's grab that iron out there. Oh, it had a copper. Damn it. Put that in there. I'll create plates. I want producing wires, so I might as well use the wire guts to make a couple of cables. Now we need to keep up with this. Keep forgetting to grab the iron ingots out there. Need copper, but that's going to have to wait for a sec. Need the travel time. That's making rods. I will make plates still. Some more ingots so I can make some more iron plates. Start getting ready to get our first little bit of production going. Hmm. We're gonna run out of power pretty quickly. Right, that's done. You get some more copper since the fuel's going, might as well make more copper. Material. Need to find more of these little wood bushes. Get more wood so I can get some chainsaw to cut down actual wood, trees and stuff. Ooh, hey, blue slug, nice. Oh, slug. Very handy down the line.
This semi-slug species seems to persist entirely through absorbing and storing energy from its surroundings. Studying this could provide new methods for improving fix-it production line efficiency. Store this potential resource for later use.
Yeah, that was too far a drop. I think I'm going to do is take grass out of there, put wood in that one as the backup. Store the blue slug. Keep the grass on us for now. How much rose is in this one now? 40, this is 89. We should be good.
Hub Upgrade 6, Landing Platform Hydraulics, completed. Freighter landing initialized.
There we go.
Congratulations, you have completed onboarding and achieved the absolute minimum skill level required of a Fix-It pioneer. Fix-It looks forward to your future achievements, because a future with Fix-It is a future with you. Tier 1 and 2 milestones are now available in the hub, and biomass burners can now be built individually. Your first official objective is to initiate project assembly by building the space elevator. This objective will take a significant amount of resources, so
Oh, yeah.
Fix-It recommends getting to work.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to Fixmas, an official Fix-It seasonal event, brought to you by official Fix-It Fun engineers. Fixmas is based on a seasonal holiday popular in several cultures and religions, often seen as a winter holiday because no one actually cares about Australasia. The event is vetted to be 100% pioneer-appropriate fun and is not obligatory. Fixmas enables many new distracting activities focused on building the giant Fixmas tree. These activities involve the MAM, the Fixmas calendar, and those abominations falling from the sky. There is more, but I don't care. In the interest of us all, I will tell you that Fixmas has caused stress, lack of focus, general despair, and physical injury to many pioneers. It is the worst scoring event ever created by Fix-It and has gotten backlash for its blatant cultural inappropriateness. So when you inevitably change your mind and decide to disable this event, you will have chosen humanity and kittens and puppies, you will have chosen truth and empathy, you will have made me proud.
Ada don't like Xmas. Let's open up.
This data cartridge contains the Fixmas MAM tree setup and will need to be fed into the MAM database to unlock its first 2 branches. If this seems convoluted and/or boring, and you wish to quit the event, I will understand. Humans tend to catch colds during the winter. It would seem that this does not apply to you, but considering your tendencies, Fixit has seen fit to provide a medicinal inhaler just in case.
Okay. See if you can find all the way up to 10. I'm going to just get some more coffee. I will be back in a minute. Any luck finding them up to 10? Well, let's see. Here's 3.
There is no escaping the Fixmas spirit with this red ornament build gun trinket. It can be equipped at the lockers in the hub.
Oh.
This data cartridge enables the second pair of Fixmas Mantry branches to be unlocked. Fixit thought it was being very clever with the layout of this research tree. About as clever as you.
5. Ooh,
Santa isn't real.
Is that it? Santa isn't real. Okay.
Obviously, these Fixmas decorations do not increase efficiency. In fact, they are a downgrade on every level. They can be found in the customizer.
Seven. Ooh.
It's the least wonderful time of the year.
Oh, nice. Parachute. Damn.
This data cartridge enables the third pair of Fixmas Mantry branches to be unlocked. There is a chance you are doing this because you enjoy the seasonal event for some reason. There is also a chance you are simply doing this to annoy me. I wish for you to know that, in either case, you have disappointed me.
Yes, Ada.
What's
Routine.
this?
And take. Fix some sats. Okay.
By equipping this new hat at the lockers in the hub, you can finally turn your mental state into a fashion statement.
And that is it for today. Right. Bulk meat can go there. These discs can go in there for now. The inhaler I will hang on to. Let's have a look here. How shoot. That's sweet. I don't know how to use it. I guess we can keep the inhaler in there in case we need to heal up quickly. The explosive we can't use right now because we need the detonators. So that I'm going to put away for now. And put away that for now. Let's see. Where do I come up here again? Okay. So you get. Okay, so it's spacebar. Let's get some speed here, quick. Okay, like a double tap spacebar. Alright, cool. We have a parachute. Gotta remember that because I do fall off cliffs sometimes, so yeah. Good to have. Okay, so now we've unlocked. What we have unlocked now. Okay, now we have the actual tiers to finish. That's base building. Foundation is gonna be important. Logistics. I do need the splitters. No, conveyor. Splitters and mergers I really need. This will be useful as well, I think. Unlock this first, so I can build more things up. Okay, so then we can do foundations afterwards to neaten up everything. Got 100 there. 200. It's not. Yeah. There we go. That fits that up. We need some more rods. Need to keep the middle going. But we can make a miner now. And we have conveyors. Just need materials. Right. I'm going to pin some things to my belt. I don't actually know what that's called. Alright, that could be 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna make this one 0 here. Yes, I have one mod, just remembered now. I'm gonna use it if I need to. We had some difficulties with, or little bug glitches that your death crate would spawn in the terrain, and since version 1.0 they took off the no clipping command in the under the console command, you can't now get it, so it's a little annoying. So we got this. I got this mod so that it can pull the crates to a central location. It is a very big crate at the end of the day, space-wise, so it can be very easy to kind of, I guess cheap would be the better word of it. makes it over OP, way OP to have that crate usable. So for now, it's just gonna, if I have to use it, it'll be just to store, to gather anything that glitched into, when we have a glitch, let's put it that way. I didn't wish I could do something with tractors, because we got a tractor in my wife and I's playthrough on her machine. The tractor is stuck inside a mountain, which is very annoying because I can't get rid of the icon. There is one way of doing it, but I'm not going to go that whole route. You gotta save it to the site so that you can edit its elevation and stuff. No, thank you. That's fine. Oh. Yeah. I don't know why we're gonna need what? Let's quickly see what the next milestone is. The base building one's gonna require concrete plate and okay. Okay, so I need to produce concrete. And there goes the power. Oops, wrong button. Ah, stop it. Let's fire up our standby. You can stay off for a moment. Actually, no. You can power back on, and we'll power you off. It'll pick up the slack. Carry on. Alright, how are we gonna build this now? We need to do the metal. Let's quickly do some calculations here, shall we? This is a pure node. That's a 120 maximum pull unless you do...
Do we need that?
Hi, Ida. Can pull 120 without overclocking and stuff. And this one's also pure, which is amazing. So, first setup. Let me just check my... Is this full already again? Good lord. I'm gonna check my plans here quick. Was it dedicated for that? Okay. So the problem is all the thinking after that. Do I have... Yes, I have biomass burners. Perhaps I should be considering... Wait. I'm being stupid here, I just realized. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Shut down, shut down, shut down. Give me that material back. All of it. Thank you. We have biomass. Is there any other in here? Nope. We have biomass. Far more efficient burning for biomass burners. Goody. Alright, let's pull up one of the 200 biomass. You can stay off, that's fine. Biomass burns at 6.667 per minute. This should keep us going for a good amount, and I can make biomass easily out of leaves, so awesome. Right. We need to put... I think the this one can switch back with plates for a bit. Hang on. Rods is 15. Plates is 30. Smelter produces 30 ingots from 30 ore. Let's see what other nodes we have. Oh, we got these two. Oh, we got two over there. I believe those are also pure. Hey, buddy. See if we can approach without a problem. As long as we are crouched. Yeah, so there's only one depending in, so okay. Ooh, quartz.
Unknown crystalline mineral collected. This
Pure.
mineral is composed of the same chemical elements as quartz and may yield similar industrial functions.
Pure.
Store this potential resource for later use.
Is it those two? That's this one. It's one further away. Okay, I'm just gonna have to use these pure ones. These pure ones are nice, but this is temporary. What am I saying? Never mind. We can. It's fine. We'll use these pures and make up a system. I'm being silly. Just need to get a basic system going so that we can work forward. Right. So we're going to look at. We can only throw 60 along the line anyways, so let's get rid of this stuff. Materials, I can convert it to biomass to keep us going. I'm gonna have to make a biomass burner place. Yeah, I think I might do it up there. Right. First things first, we'll need a miner. So we need a miner. I'm gonna need 2 smelters. Three constructors, because the rods take 15 each, so we can add 2 constructors to the line for the rod production. We're going to need 2 of these for storage for the moment. 2 smelters, 1, yeah. Yeah, okay. We need 6 reinforced, 30 more iron plates, and a portable miner, obviously. What are we working towards again? I keep forgetting. Logistics is for the splitters, which I need, so we need the plates desperately for that first. I need to make roads. Need another 41 rods. Actually, I need more than 41 rods because I need 34. Okay, wait, let's stop there. Gonna need iron plates for more reinforced. It's 6 reinforced. I think I'm gonna make those 6 now. So I've got them. For the production. So once I get that up and running, then we don't have a problem. We don't have to manually feed. I needed 6, I just made more than I needed. Maybe I should just produce the... No, I need the splitters. I need the splitters. Okay, let's quickly make... We have one portable miner, we don't have to make the miner. Let's see how far we are with material-wise. We should get that covered. Iron plates we still need. Need the tea. But we are producing. Right, I need more iron ore. Till I get this up and running, I'm gonna have to keep feeding it. Any copper, I don't need to function copper right this minute. Concrete I should actually empty out. Yeah. I'll make some cement so we have extra in case of. Yo, let's make some more mass as well. Biomass. Get us. Free up some space in our inventory as well as for one item, and then the concrete we can also free up space for more of this raw limestone. Still got quite a bit of cable, so we can make a cable and rods and power lines for... Oh, power lines have been put onto the list here. That's okay, we can after the fact, it's fine. I believe. I'm gonna leave the smelters and stuff there just for the moment. Let's quickly look here. We need at least... One, two, three. We need 6 connections. Each of these will be... That gives us 6 actually. 1 extra, and then let's just shift click to get a 10, go up in 10 increments. Let's have a look. We're good as we stand now with material. That needs another 75. It's getting there. Should be able to produce the 75 necessary. Grab that. Oops. Do I have any more? No, I don't. You should have more iron. Up in there to keep producing. And you're, that's right, I'm running on you. Okay, I have the materials. Power might be a bit dodgy. I don't think anything about is the power. So we said this is 4, they're all 4 megawatts, correct? Yes. Smelter, I don't know what. Oh no, it's smelter, yeah. I just don't know what the miner. I believe the miner is like 3. So if we look at it, we're going to be using 4, 8, 12. 16, sorry. Right? 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, yeah. No. 20, my bad. 20 megawatts there, and I think that's a 3 megawatt. So 23 megawatts. So we are just within one of these. No, we're not. We have to be firing up both of them to. Well, we'll have all of this as well, so yeah, they're gonna all have to fire up. Let's top you up. Let's get you ready. And then let's begin the build. We'll grab that. And we'll switch down to our construction. H to hold the hologram in place. It's not gonna be the most even freaking thing though, but I'm forgetting I still need to. I need the splitters. Can't do it without the splitters. 92, yep, we're good. Let's get those splitters down. Big button push. And away you go.
Milestone reached. Conveyor belts can now merge, split, and lift to save space and enhance the productivity of your factory. Fix it in logistics. If you feel stressed by this complexity, imagine yourself on the shore of a vast and calm ocean. Breathe in. Visualize all the people relying on you. The sea is made of billions of faces, each staring at you with hope and tears in their eyes. Breathe out. Feel refreshed and focused on your duties.
Let's build up production first and then we'll... Hold up. What's tier 2 again? Oh, right. Obstacle clearing. Definitely need that for the solid biofuel. The sink will be useful. That might be useful for now. That will give me the 120 pump push out. But I need to produce first. No, it's fine. Okay, we'll get to that. Let's just build our basic setup so that we can get some basic production going. No, I did not compensate for these. I need I need 2 splitters and a merger. How's the material looking? Oh, we actually have everything for it. Alright. Let's try it again. Alright, let's build that. Let's get up to there and get our 5 and 6 and 7. I really need this one here actually. But anyway. Right. We need a splitter. Holding control, locks it in place for you so you can keep everything in line. Building on an even ground is going to be horrible, but anyway, we're going to have to make do. Just do this for now. We just need the basics going here. Just did 2 smelters. Yeah. Fine. Now we need a constructor. Over here. And a constructor. Yeah, there. Another one here. And grab us another splitter. This will be in line with this one, which is in line with that. And we want. Nope, that's not a splitter, that's a merger, my bad. Okay. Take the pedestrian from there. Alright. And we're going to, by pressing R, you get to change from a default to a straight to a curve. It's different types of things. You gotta play with them to really see it can help you in sticky situation when something doesn't want to connect up. See, like that, the straight wouldn't do it. You've had a belt shape. The curve does, the default does too. Default usually gets you pretty much sorted out. See, that's the upward angle was a little too much for the straight one. That will do. There we go. Right, and then we needed, said 2 of these. Oh, we need a merger, sorry. We need a merger in front of these 2 constructors. I made it in line the other one, so I might as well just kind of make it in line here too. So, there we go. That won't be able to be straight, so we'll just use a curve. And I'm run out of plates. And out of plates. Okay, let's go get some more plates. So I'm hoping this one was making. Yes, it was. What's going on here? We don't have iron ingots. Let's just do that for now. I believe that's empty store, yeah. And this one. Got wire. Okay, that can sit like that. That's fine. Okay. See how fast you get. Pretty cool. Alright. Wasn't the supply problem? What's your... No? Man, I made a splitter again. God damn it. I want a splitter. I want a merger here. Oh, not that. Let's try that again with a merger. That would work. Okay. You go there. You go there. And then let's pick this. Press it up so it's out the way.
Ho ho, oh whatever.
Oh, Ada. Such an AI after my own heart. Line them up with each other. Oh, I'm missing you, right? Oh, there it is. Okay. Is that right? And you can pop there. And you, now I'm missing plates. Right. Okay, we'll fix that in a sec. What we need to do now is place our little temporary power situation. This is still got, yep, a connection here. So we'll move this one to over here as distribution. And then we'll pump another one over here. See how many we can make. Going to stretch it a little bit since we are a tad tight. Oh, no, let's put it over here rather. There's another there. So we connect all of these bad boys up. And connect these bad boys to here. Miner to hold up. This is iron ingots. Ingots. You can copy paste as well. I'm not gonna bother right now. It's just a few rods. Rods. There we go. So fire it up. Iron ore at a 60 rate. unfortunately, it's a 120, but it can only push out 60 because that's a conveyor belt. So there we go. 60 and 60 goes in here. Oh, sorry. Split up to 30, 30. Uses 30 per minute. Reduces 30 per minute. Oh. That's why you gotta double check your stuff. I don't have plates. Oops. I'll be back momentarily. See, this is why you need to double check and triple check your creations. Oh. There we go. Alright, so the ingots are gonna flow there. That's 30 we said. So there's gonna be 15 supply each. Yeah, I need a few supply. I must settle the other ones. So it takes the 15 in each one, which is perfect split, to create 15 per minute of iron rods. And this baby takes 30, which is a full set copper smelter, to produce 20. Now let's go fix the power. I didn't put the other one on, did I? Yeah, one's still on standby, I believe. Yeah, I think this one's on standby. Yep, I never fired that one into the mix. Oops, there we go. Let's take that, we're not going to use that smelter anymore. Take that material, we're not using that at the moment, and this one we'll repurpose all of this for down the line. Okay, everything's fired up. And iron rods are being produced. And I forgot to do this. Wow, terrible. Alright, here comes iron plates. There we go, iron plates.
This is ridiculous.
Yes, Ida. Ridiculous presence. If we do this, we can have a base platform to work with. A flat surface, basically, to work with. But this will give us the map so we can start seeing better. Some extra slots, personal storage, we're good, and the MAM. But I'm gonna have to do a decent power biomass burner setup, so yeah, that's gonna be a bit tricky. Though clearing obstacles will be very useful. Oh, I need to make the screw side of that facility. First we get the basic facility going, then we can do this. Alright, I'm going to want that unlocked. Let's just get rid of the base material we have here. Yeah. We have 100 iron ore. Wow. Actually. We need to let that work a bit. We need to repurpose this one over here. Is I gotta do the biomass burner before I run out of power. The separate biomass burners are higher. I believe they're 40. They produce that. No, they produce 30. No, wow. They only produce 30. It's the same as this. No, these are 20s. Yeah, they produce 30. So, biomass. Biomass. We can produce our biomass burners. What we do, we use the space over here. Oh, just to make it. These presents. Hey, doggo.
Just get back to work.
him, run!
Not worth the effort.
Let's see. This. Should that go under my construction belt? I think so. Let's dump it over there. Right, we need at least. That costs 30, so give me 90. We do 3 of them. We'll require 2 splitters at least for now. No, we don't need 2 splitters, we need 1 splitter. Bunch of conveyor belts. These 2 rods are 2 poles and that. So you're gonna need plate. So we're missing at the moment, so we can produce this right now. Let's go see how much plate we've actually produced so far. Rod's doing well. Plate's doing well. Nice, that's what we wanted. It's underachieving at the moment, but it's still functional. Gover! Hey buddy, how's it going? It's been a bit, yeah. You well, man? Welcome in. Hasn't been that long. You were in just the other day. Oh, excuse me, Ada.
I'm sure this is useful to someone, somewhere.
No dislike for Fixmisses. So good. Start playing RuneScape and I got a membership. Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't understand the membership part. Is that something to do with RuneScape? Do I sound okay, by the way? You know, the game's not too loud or something. I haven't had anybody to ask that question yet. Did sound okay to me when I tested it, but just to be on the safe side. Ask an external source. But then yes, please explain the membership and the RuneScape. Yeah, there's free to play, and then you can pay a membership that unlocks a ton of other content. Oh, okay. Oh, so you got a membership for that. Okay. I'm trying to remember. I have looked up RuneScape before. Cannot really recall what it is. Yeah, you're a bit. Huh? You're a tiny bit quiet, but it's okay. Oh, is it? I'm a tiny bit quiet. Right, give me a sec. Let me just check that out. Let's bump that up just a tad. Well, let's give it a full 10% increase. Why not? I said 10. Thank you. Hopefully that sounds a bit better. But anyway, okay, yeah, so RuneScape, you enjoying it? I mean, obviously, if you got membership. I wanted to build the bio burners. Okay. I need to... Let's do it. Let's do it here for now. It's gonna be horrible because I don't have the platforms yet, but it will have to do. Oops, forgot to actually calculate a container into this mix. So hopefully I still have still here. Apparently I still have enough to. That's great. No, thank you, man. It's been a ton of fun. Is it? Can you give me a quick breakdown of it? You know, just quick summarize. Is it like a RPG game? I'm trying to remember. I just cannot recall. I have looked at it. I promise. I need a splitter. Yeah, that's a merger. Splitter over here. Compact it as much as possible. And let's make another splitter. Yeah, here for now. That'll have to do. Straight if we can. Oh, doesn't like that. Okay. It's an MMORPG. Life skills like woodcutting. Oh, might make it. Oh, okay, okay. I think I Sorry, I thought I heard something. I think I get the gist now. I need a wood like a container over here. Just dump it over here, like there for now. That. And we need. I'm gonna distribute, so I think we're gonna put a distribution there. And the actual point there. So just rough connections up to there. And this one actually I don't like over here now. Do that. This can go. I think I'm gonna plop this down over here for now. And hook it into that line over there for now. Alright. Let's just check. Do I have material to make? Yep. Let's quickly make some biomass. Okay, and let's check. Do we have any material in there? No. I'm going to deactivate you guys for the moment. Get the trip in the process. We'll trip just now. There we go. I'm gonna shove all this biomass in there. It'll be 20, so that's good. And once they're in there, we can power everything up using these guys. Then we can expand on this lot after the fact. I just want to put that there. I just want to make a note here quick. Oh dear, I must look through my notes more. RuneScape, I'm going to go take a look and research it a bit and have see what it's all about. That was from you, Cover. 89. Cool. There we go. Note placed. Alright, now we should be able to fire this baby up. 110. Okay, keep us going. Alright. Now I need to look at my layout here quick that I've got on the side here. Let's see. Copper. Guys, 60s. I've got an impure copper node above me. I'm feeding off at the moment. So let's have a look if there is any good copper around. First one should be that one, yes. 55, 676. It's quite far away, but it's out there somewhere. I think I have to make a basic one that can just run copper and cable for me for the moment. Which, let's have a look here again at the process. Okay, so this takes 15. Cable requires 60. Hold up. That punches out 30. Only takes 15, so I can give a half juice to this one. Requires 60, this which is 30, so I can then feed two constructors. One will do the wire, and then the other one will produce the wire for the cable, but at half the capacity, so at least just produces something for now. So yeah, oh yeah, man. Let me know if you decide to try it out. I'll hop on with you and show you around. Oh, that'll be awesome, Cobra. Thank you, man. Yeah, definitely go take a look at it. That's why I marked your name next to it so I can remember who I can contact about it. So yeah, no, cool, man. That'll be awesome. I'm gonna leave. No, I don't have to leave anything actually. We'd like to bring this copper over here though. It's gonna be a hell of a run. I have to do the concrete. I need the concrete. I need the concrete. Alright. Let's... Okay, I'm just gonna disassemble you and you. And... you and you. I'm going to have to stretch the power out to there. I've got 99, 13... Oh. Okay, let's pick up some more rods quick. Take the full stack of rods with me. Should be alright. Got enough cable and stuff. We'll pull the power up today. Actually, I can take this one down. We'll make this... Actually, this can stretch further, so let's actually make a point from here as a distribution. See, it can go real far, so let's knock that there. And I believe that can make it up there, so let's have a look. Actually, mute the stream. No worries. Mute me, it's all good. This will be distributions. I think I'm gonna drop that there. We're gonna do 2 constructors, I said. So, oh, mining. Right, mining, smelter, 2 constructors. The smelter there, curve it into 2 constructors there. So, we're gonna pull this and make this one over here. You can feed the constructor and the smelter, and then a second one. Okay, battlefield construct. No, sorry. Miner, smelter, then the 2 constructors. Let's pick this guy up. And let's get the miner down. Let's just check. Let's hold it there with H. Should have enough room. Yeah, let's fire that up there. Get a smelter. We're gonna make it right on top of it. No, hold up. Oh wait, no, this isn't pure. It will only push it out at 30 anyway. So 30 to 30, that's fine. And then we're going to split this. No, we should curve it. I think I must make the constructors first. Let's see, I need some height here so I can see. We'll do... yeah, let's do it there. And do this one over here. And a more flatter surface, do you mind? That. Let's draw a splitter, which will make in line with this one, something like this. I hope it's not too tight an angle. Let's have a look. Yeah, that one can make it. Default or straight. Straight can't. Default can. You're telling me out of plates. Are you freaking serious? Ah! Damn it! I'm out of plates. Stupid. This will be here to feed these 2. Okay, let me get back. Now I'm back now. I have this game. I tried to play it. I wanted to get into it so bad, but it got just too much trying to organize everything. It does. It's pretty hectic. That's why, that's what I'm hearing. There's a power slug. What was it? Total Eclipse, the content creator that pretty clued up with Satisfactory now. What she's... I'm gonna make... Oh, I got a parachute, I forgot. Never mind. He would say that most people get to the coal level and then that's pretty much it. Because it does get crazy after that. It's a very satisfying game. I need a plate. Should have floated this way. Now I gotta ski my way all the way back this way. But I will say, it's more fun with friends. I recently, this is why I picked it up, started teaching my wife how to play it. Just gave it to her as an example or whatever, and she messed with it a bit, and then next day said, buy it. So she loved it. So the two of us, we did a bit of training with her, and yeah, no, she'll be joining me on this playthrough. But we're currently... Ooh, okay, that parachute's gonna throw me off every time. Currently playing on a playthrough on her machine. So... Oh, I'm going to need to measure this too, huh? I'm going to put this... Since I'm gonna sting it, I might as well just dump it here. It's not pretty, I need a measure. Just getting it right. I should have actually made it in line with that one. I would have made it smarter. Actually, I should still make it in line with... Cut down how much plate I use. Yeah, no, this was stupid. I should have... Hey, what you do? What you doing? There we go. Come on, there we go. And this there. Wonky as hell, but it will have to do. Oh, let's just set everybody up. You already set up ingots. You are making wire. Wait. What did I say? Yeah, no. This can make wire for now. Yeah, this can just pump out a metric ton of wire. Let's hook you up. Hook you up. I'm sorry. Said hook you up. Fuel's getting going. You come here. No, because I wanted the back already. I'll put it over here. And power up you boys. And here we go. Material's going. Let's smoke some weed and mine ore for an hour. Yeah. And be back soon. No problem. I am going to... There we go. I need another coffee, so enjoy the production for just a moment. I shall return. walking away with my headphones, I hear the dulcet tones of the production going. It's so good to hear. So satisfying. Alright. This is done. I'll have to keep running up here, but for now it'll have to do. I have a parachute. I can actually just go this way. Ooh, actually, you know what? I need to make sure I'm collecting material. Because I am running a biomass burner. I don't have the chainsaw and stuff, so and I need to collect this manually for the moment. We do 2 hours. Sip of bottled water. No, I'm home in having. Oh my, I'm having a sip of coffee. To hell with that. Hey, biomass. But other than playing RuneScape, I mean, enjoying yourself with RuneScape, life okay for you, man? Otherwise, alright? Actually, I think you answered that already. Sorry. You did, my bad. Memory sucks. Let's put presents away. Keep the grass and stuff on me for now. I'm going to dump the material, the quartz. I have a couple on me. Okay. Yeah, all that there. What we're doing anyway. Pretty decent, just to keep it up. What I need now? What I need now is to finish off this. Right, I need 300 screws. Crud, I forgot I need to make screws as well. These are making rods at 15 a piece. I'm going to interrupt that for a sec and just check what the screws needs 10 and if it is 40. Big thing is memory. You gotta remember everything. That's the annoying thing. Oh, what's this? That's probably length. Let me see here. This doesn't look like we reached the limit I put on. I might have. It's nothing else. It's just length of the message cover. Sorry, cover. It's just the length of the message, and I think you must have just tipped it over by like 1 letter because it looks not as much as the problem usually. And does left. Is an insulin pump. Oh, you type 1 diabetic. Oh shit, dude. Okay. Just thought it's the insulin pump. It's like a mini IV that gives me insulin all day rather than having to stab myself with a needle. Oh, that's nice. That makes life a little easier. I can read your message though, by the way. I can open it up so I can see it. I'm a type 2. So I understand your pain. You're far worse than me. But I understand. It can be a problem. You might have told me, and please forgive me, my memory sucks ass. I actually have a note to put a database together of my followers so that I can, the relevant information for you supporting one, you know, you guys that are here often or whatever, so that I can at least remember the important things, because my memory sucks so bad. I'm so sorry. Ah, damn it, really? Which one? You see? Yeah, that's fine. I don't even remember saying that. But anyway, it's all good. Okay, cool. If you're good with that, we can back and forth repeating the stories. Your baby too. Okay. Because I know you lose your big boy, that's a problem. Because that's like having to learn to walk again and shit. Dude. Okay, this might be a little personal. If you don't want to answer, you know the drill, right? Um, did you have any indication, like a type of feeling, um, in your toes that could have indicated something wasn't right? Oh, okay, obviously. No, no. Sorry, let me try this again. Did you have any weird feelings in your toes prior to the need for the amputation? No. Okay, I didn't know my Steam element had that message today. Okay, thank you. Because to be honest, I got some weird things happening, and it's kind of making me a little nervous. Oh, okay. Okay, how about I tell you, it's like a numbish feeling, but it's not numb. But it feels like it's a bit numb. Sometimes weird that the toes rub against each other, and then it's like, is that really my toes doing it? So I have no feeling on my lower thigh. Ah. Oh, that makes things very complicated, dude. Jeez. Sorry, I need to grab some rods here because I need to make doodads, and I need some plates. I have no, I don't. I have ingots. I can actually get rid of the ingots. Well, that sucks. I mean, not having the feeling already as it is. I understand why you unfortunately had that happen. I can make a lot of thingies. Okay, let's make screws while we chat. Apathy, but you can stop that and maybe get 100% back to normal since it seems very early. Yeah, it started with just like the one toe, the one next to the big one. When the big and that guy kind of touched each other, it felt weird, and now it's kind of almost all my toes. So I should not be sleeping on that, is what you're telling me. I'm gonna make 500 screws just to have some extra until I build a screw constructor. Yeah, I've been neglecting my diabetes a bit, to be honest, which is very bad. Worst part of all, it comes into this season. I freaking hate this season. It's when you really, it's difficult for people to eat correctly in this season because of all the things. But I'm trying to avoid everything to do with the season, so it'll make it easier for me. Come on, 500. It is where it started to on my left foot, but then it got better and went away. Then started to get again, but start very tough. Yeah, it's summer. Hey, stop constructing. I have enough wire. I need plates. No, I don't have enough plates. I need to make more plates. No, okay, then I better not sleep on it. Thank you, Cobra. You have no idea how much that helps me. I've been trying to get back on the wagon, and just ignoring things that I have because it's a freaking stupid family gene thing, I guess, or trait in my family where we just, oh, it's okay, we'll just live through it and, suffer through it or whatever and get used to it and all this, and then, and that's when things go wrong. But anywho, I will definitely hit the big button. Boom. Off you go.
Milestone reached. Supply the molecular analysis machine, referred to as the MAM, with local resources to research and develop new technologies. Potential technologies include exploration tools, weapons, and factory buildings. These are essential for maximizing your Pioneer efficiency and alignment with Fixit's core pillars: construct, automate, explore, and exploit. To advance Fixit's mission, all notable phenomena, resources, technology, or other influence should be investigated regardless of any perceived danger, as stated in the Pioneer contract.
Oh no, don't worry. I don't get. It's not gonna scare me. It just the big thing for me is knowledge. Because unfortunately, doctors here, to get a one that actually knows what he's talking, he or she knows what they're talking about. I mean, they're all like, no, we can sort it out, but then they don't actually really have a clue about it. I would say more, but just in case I might just tip into the place where it can be construed as defamation or something, so I'm not going to go there exactly. I'm going to keep it vague. But anyway, then it's just like they want to pump you with medicine, but it's not only just like getting the best medicine. It's almost like a kickback type system, you know. They want to give you the specific one. They don't want to try anything else. And because you don't know everything. I mean, even if you can research on the internet, you don't know how much information you get is correct. So, bottom line, don't worry, you're not gonna freak me out at all, dude. What I'm gonna tell my wife from this conversation, that might freak the crap out of her, yes. But for me, don't worry. It's all good, bud. It's all good. I actually want this clearing so I can clear the grounds a lot quicker. Needs 500 of that. It's concrete. I should make a concrete one, actually, thinking about it now. Let me just think quickly. I need the wire to make the cable. Yeah, okay, and I should make... Okay, wait, let's quickly see here. I just need a miner and two constructors, I think. Let me just check my blueprints. Concrete. Yeah, just two constructors. So 2 constructors, and then I will need... Oh, my pod's returning. A splitter and a merger. Going to need... You make a lot of noise. I'm going to need at least... maybe 2, and I'll always just do 10 over there to be on the safe side, and this is 10 there so that it has some measure. Oh, and I'm forgetting that. Okay. So I'm looking here. 1 reinforced plate. Let's quickly make 1 reinforced plate. And I'm golden for everything else. Okay, let's make a concrete. Sorry, I'm just trying to find where I was with your conversation. Freaked out is something that's scared. Oh, I already read that, yeah. We're not taking expenses. Yeah, no, it's been for a while, so it doesn't really bother me so much. Which is a bad thing, but it's just nice to have someone I can speak to, actually, about it. I mean, I know you got a much more severe, you know, yours is worse, sorry to say, but you will have a lot of the science that could give me an informed decision. So that's... let's get up here. So if I make it go this way, I need two constructors. If I go this way... Nah, let's do it this way. It pops up. I'm gonna have to do something like this. Yeah. I can maybe make them go across from each other. Let's get that in line-ish. So, make this one in line down. Let's just put that there, see if I can nudge it. No. Yeah, let's just put it like that. That's fine. I need a... Oops. I need a splitter. Input, like so. Straight. Yeah, man. And straight. Thank you. And I need a merger on this side. Which maybe I should make him in. Oh, wait, you know what? Let's just clear the field here, literally. So I don't lose on this material that I could use. Fine. Take the present. Take the present. That's some wood there, that's nice. Okay. So I take the merger and I'll shove it in here. Up close and personal, but not too up close and personal. Got that. Okay, that's gonna struggle with straight, I get that. Straight makes nice. We just do one of these. Like. Hey, 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 stop being funny. There. Here. And then we said I can grab from this point here as a distribution node to say here. Then we grab that one. Splat it over there. And we hook up the babies together. And then we tell this one to make concrete. Get stuck on the thing, and then make this one concrete. That's 45. This will pump it only at 60, so it is underproducing to each one, but at least it's something. Oh, I'm gonna. What was that? Pick up the leaf. There we go. And just double check everything is functioning alright here. Concrete's coming in. I use the parachute because I'm a freak. Here we go. Concrete. Nice. Let's go make some more biomass. So man, even just talking stuff out and getting a bit off your chest can help. Yeah, that's true. You never know what you can learn from somebody. No, that I've sorry, sip of coffee, hold up. I have been reminded and learned that how many times is that no matter how much you think you know, you can always learn something else. And whether it's day-to-day roaming, you know, surfing rubbish, you might learn something. Speaking to people you didn't think would know anything, you might learn something. They can also spark ideas to make you learn something. It's no, definitely. I don't take it for granted that my knowledge is that finished and that, you know, done. That's why I like talking to people. Obviously, certain people. Some people I just cannot stomach. But no, in general, so I like the conversation stuff. All the random stuff comes up and all this. So yeah. Okay. And when it comes to things that can affect me personally, then yeah, I listen. Let's make some more biomass. Make sure we are good on fuel, because that is a biggie at the moment. So we have a good power supply. Oh, have our first coal station up, actually. Oh, it's been a good... Thank you. It is really... It's nice. I like what I do. There's quite a few of you that make it worthwhile for me, you know? Might be like the only ones in the stream, but it makes it worthwhile for me. Yeah, because also it's gonna make all of this into ingots. It's also the randomness, and you know, anything can come up from the conversations, and whether it be factual stuff, interesting notes, funny. I love funny, so that's also good. So I really appreciate it, and that's what I wanted. Something nice, chill. People can just chat and talk shit, you know. They're having a bad day or whatever, they come in here and they just chill, forget the crap at the door, waste an hour or two or whatever, and well, not waste, chill for an hour or two with mindless stuff, watching me screw up on the game or watching the conversation and being part of a whole big funny conversation and stuff. That's what I'm looking for, because in all honesty, that was what I was looking for, because I'm a bit of an introvert. No, a bit of an introvert is so wrong. I am such an introvert. You know, I can't remember the last time I left the house. But, funny enough, my previous job, I easily spoke to people. I can speak to people easily. Just nowadays, it's... Now, last couple of years, it's been a bit meh. But anyway. Oops, don't do that. I need cables, screws. I might as well make a bunch of screws, yeah. No, I have to make the screws. I don't have screw production yet. I need to still do that. huge over your headphones are not public. That's a good way to tell people, don't talk to me, I don't want to hear you. Back in the day, I enjoyed the fact that people would look funny at you because you're talking on a headless, hands-free. And I always loved getting the smallest ones so people wouldn't notice, because then they just think I'm psycho, which helps, so people wouldn't talk to me. But then, yeah, like I said, work made me have to deal with random people, a lot of random people and officials, that think they're higher just because their stature makes them having to deal with that rubbish without. Yeah, but anyway. But it was good. I did meet a lot of good people. Yes. No. Yes. The cable is not being produced. I need to produce cable. Yeah, exactly. Looks like I was just talking to myself. Meanwhile, half the time I was actually talking to someone on the phone, and the other half was actually me talking to myself. So, kind of a little psycho. So the people don't know, and then they still talk to you. Especially when driving, people would like look at you, and it's like, wait a minute, guy's talking to himself. I'm not gonna mess with him in the car. Cable. I just need a little more cable. Whoa, what the hell is that? So I just saw it drop in my bit rate. Doesn't seem to have gone. Weird. Nothing serious happened, thankfully. Hit the big button. Oh, wrong button. Off you go.
Milestone reached. Solid biofuel, created from any biomass, ensures maximum efficiency of biomass burners. To aid in biofuel production, the chainsaw allows for the removal of tougher wood and coral foliage. Additionally, your pocket dimension has been inflated to increase inventory size. Inspirational note: will you be the Fix-It Employee of the Month? You could be if you construct, automate, explore, and exploit by eliminating all obstacles to efficiency. This isn't just fun, it's contractually mandated fun.
Contractually mandated fun. What I need? 5 plates, 960 screws. I have 3 plates. Perfect. 960 screws. And get myself a chainsaw. A screw production plant. That's gonna be pretty large. Can offshoot. Oh, wait. Alright, I think that's enough. There we go. Got myself a chainsaw. Nice. Dump these presents. And I need to actually make biomass into solid biofuel. then now I can chop up wood and thingy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need biomass to turn into biofuel and construct. So I'll produce biomass. What's the next one? Should do that one. Actually, I'm going to do that one so I can get the foundations and start really planning this stuff out. Hello. I haven't got food for you yet. I'll come get you some later, okay? Let's see how we're doing here. Are we running? No, we're still running, okay. I need to change it to biofuel. But I need screws. Ah, jeez. This is where it gets all crazy. I need to also do some of the Fixmas stuff as well, so I can unlock some nice things there that are useful. What I should do is reconstruct it for biofuel for that. You know what? Hold up a sec. What berry do you want? Oh, never mind. You're anyway. Okay. Wait, I need to make the MAM. I just realized. MAM. I need plates, wire, frickin' hell. Which means screws. What's my plan here? This requires a 120. I do not have a 120 belt yet. This is not spaghetti town. Yeah, not yet. Oh, gee. Let me guess. That LL Cool J with the Call of Duty Black Ops freaking 7 ad. I am so irritated with that ad. It's not even funny. I don't mind the normal Twitch thing, but that one. You have to redo something. Anyway. Okay, this is getting what again? 30 a minute in. Could produce a screw here. Might absorb a bit too much. Actually, maybe I should look at my other plan. Because this one was full plate. Oh, but it goes to assemblers. I still haven't got the assemblers ready yet. I should do that one when I'm fully... Maybe I should make it dedicated. Dedicated screw one for now. I'm thinking I might do that. Okay, let's see. Screws with... I hate having to interrupt my structure here, but... So it needs 10. Okay. They produce 15 a piece. So that's 30. So I could have... Actually, hold up. If I pull one off the line... No. Wait. If I put another one... It requires what again? 15 ingots. Oh yeah, I'm limited to that at the moment. It's splitting... Yeah, it's splitting 30 into two 15s. But I could pull one of them off straight into screws. It's about to become spaghetti. It is so about to become spaghetti. Because otherwise I grab another. Let's move it 30 in each. If I grab another miner here, pull full 60. And I could produce... What's the plates again? Jeez, the memory thing is a freaking problem. Wish it was a chart that you could actually just get this in-game. You know, this per minute to per minute thing. Takes 30. So I could make this setup again, but instead these two feeding 15 each. That's 30. Then I could have 10 screws technically being produced. Well, that's a big setup. We could do it this way for now. Okay, good lord. Okay, alright, so it would be a miner. Pushing 60 into a... Oh, wait. I've only got 2 smelters there. Yeah, okay, I do the same setup. Alright, same setup. So that's 2 smelters, which will then go into 3 constructors. And then 2 of them will be feeding into 3 other contractors. So then I need 6 contractors. Why do I keep saying contractors? Constructors. Oh my lord. I will need a splitter for the smelters. And then a splitter for the iron rods. And then I would need a merger for the complete iron rods. And then another splitter to the other screws. Holy hell. Power, I'll just do 2 rods there, 2 poles there, just give 10 there. I'll just do a 10 conveyor, which is never right, so I'll make it a 20. It'll be a bit of a freaking setup. Let's see, need a lot more cable, reinforced wire, concrete. The concrete wire is not a problem, reinforced, I'll have to produce cable, I'll have to produce that as well. Woo-wee! Still need to do the base building thing. Okay. Okay, let's pick up some concrete. Might as well take all of that. I need to get the Caterium so I can get the zip line. That is so much fun. So I'm gonna grab 2 of your piles. I need to actually... Oh! Wait, I have chainsaw. I forgot. I need to make another... I need to make another... constructor, actually. For the Christmas stuff. Fixmas stuff. Sorry, I'm just trying to think now. Get the cable. And iron plates, I'm gonna need more iron plates for. Alright, let's make 8. Gonna have to make some screws so I can make iron plates. Okay. I have to expand my bio burners because I think I'm going to run out of... I have to make a constructor there as well, I just remembered. Okay, wait, we should have... let me check the power situation. We have 90. I'm about to put on another... Ooh, that might be a bit close. Might be a bit close. Because that's a 3... 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 23, and that's 3 extra. 23 plus 12 is 35. 55. 80, 90 on the dot. Oh, bugger me. I know. No, I have to expand. How much space I got? I got space. Okay, we're just gonna expand with 3. I should make that. Oh no, I need to get. Okay. We okay. We're just gonna do that. No, not that. You go there.
The fruit of this fungus-like flora does not seem to show much potential for use. However, its mycelial network is worth further investigation. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
This down to keep a solid biome. Jeez. Solid biofuel, sorry. And then we can power all the extra burners. Okay, this was a temporary design. I need to look at my original. Might be this expanded with the. Hold up. Where's that plan for the biomass I have? Biomass burners. Here we go. Now it's gonna be a bit of a setup. Do you prefer the other one I had? Sorry, I'm just checking my old plans here. This takes a little space, but I need extra splitters. I need a merger. I need a splitter. 5 biomass burners will make it a lot easier to function. Push 2, 1 on either side. And I'd have to change out the... Oh, good lord. Maybe I should just make another 3 feet off this side. Be quicker and easier. Yeah, I think I better just do that. Biomass burners. Step out there. Hello. Yeah. We hook all these suckers up. make, come on, biofuel. So we need to make a metric ton of biomass. I have mycelia. I need to do the, oops. Need to do the man as well still. It's a bit crazy, doesn't it? Not a bit. It's super crazy. Just put the mycelia away. Mycelia, presents. What do I want to? Those two I don't need. Just dump them in here for now. The raw material. Okay, let's make as much biofuel as possible. Just put a little more juice in my bit, so I can actually carry on. I had to buy other pots because supply ran out of the good pots. Ugh, it's very annoying. At least this will keep my biomass burners going for longer. Oh, I could do a cycling thing, I'm just thinking now. With the storage of the materials now, I could put a merger in the front of the storage. And then I could put a line out, make a splitter, split the material back down into the merger to go back into the storage, and then offshoot to a next production. That will mean every time something comes out, it splits, so it keeps a stock in the storage while manufacturing is continuing, and then still bringing material out to the next production line. Not efficient because obviously depending on the materials used and whatnot, but end of the day, can work. Hey Velvet Knight, welcome in. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you're enjoying the content. How are those foundations going? Still need to get. No, I still have to unlock the foundations. At the moment, everything is temporary until I'm ready to go. So I'm still working on it. You play? You a fellow Satisfactory? Right now, I'm just trying to get my power up to scratch before I run out. This weekend, I think one of my first crew will come in. Maybe. Not 100% sure. We'll have to see. I also want to have a good footing for everyone to come in to play with so that there's material available to move on. I have to speak to my other friend. See if he'd be interested in joining my Satisfactory. Got them back into it to play. Go to in now. That is his first 1.0. Oh, okay. So you haven't actually gone from scratch. I just completed phase 3 since the 1.0 update. Just dump that in there. I'm gonna dump half of that in there for now. Alright, let's just make sure everything fills up. It's not the best setup, but it will do. Yeah, a little bit. Huh? Coffee's fit. I swear, didn't I just go fetch a coffee? God damn it. this should keep me going alright for a little bit. Now I can just see what is the situation here. Do I still have everything I need for... Yep, okay, let's get building the screws department. Where do I want to aim it? Out here. Yeah, no, that can do. 2, we want EOB splitting, so let's just see, is this got the spacing for it? Yeah, it's a little too much spacing. Let's tweak it back a bit. Yeah. Go there. And we need... Wait, what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm copying this. Right. Okay, so this is going to go straight into a constructor. I should not have put them so close together. Let's do that again. Do it a tad away from each other. And this one is going to take... This is straight, so that can... that can be... we do have a... No splitters, this is straight. Okay, that should be okay. Here, on the other hand, I don't know if we can match them up because it's going to be a problem. Wait, I'm actually going to try something crazy. Hold up a sec. 5 for the splitter. Yeah, I know, that ain't going to work. Check, diddly squad. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's lock that there. Just tweak it forward. Yeah, that should be okay. 2 of you. Get our splitter. Ah, damn it, they're slightly off from each other. Sucks. Yeah, well, that's fine. Let's just do that. Let's hope this actually works. No, because it's way too freaking off from each other. Oh yeah, because that one I shifted forward here, so that makes sense. Yeah, okay. Let's make you in line with that one. A bit closer. Let's see if the angle's okay. Rough and ready. Nope, that angle's horrible. You could do it on that. Okay, no. This is not working out. These guys have got to move forward. Like I said, this is where the noodling and the hard is going to come in. Turn around. Let's just see this one first. Oh, frick. I didn't check the... Always check. At least the deconstruction thing is awesome with this game, so... Yeah, that'll do. 3, we can make that one even. Even Stevens. Don't say a thing. Don't say a word. I can't believe I missed that. Frick. Okay, there we go. Oh, that could... Breaking things down and reorganize at every basic step. Step basic. It's the part I could take. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the fun part where you just try to stop and be doing things. Oh. We need the splitter here if I forget. That can feed straight like that. Yeah, that's all connected up. That's not. That's what I missed last time as well. Okay. comes the fun part now. This is going to merge. It's gonna merge. Where's the ladder? That's about halfway. That will merge in there and in here. And then it goes straight into a splitter. A little distance because we got ground issues. Alright. And then it goes into 3 constructors. Then we need a container. Oh, I'm gonna have to merge all this together too. I forgot. Ah, bugger me. Okay, I don't have what's going on here. Missing the materials. Okay, no problem. I need some rods. We're good. I need one of those actually. Thank you. We'll center mass this one like so. Is that one? Yeah. Yeah. And merge. Oh, wow, that's not in line, damn it. Let's see how that works. That's a horrible, but it'll do. Trying to just get all the materials so we can get to the good stuff. Alright, you are going to be screws. Copy that. Place that there. Place that there. So you're all screws. It's like a puzzle. Each stage of the game has a different problem that needs to be solved. Yes, very much so. That'll be rods. That'll be rods. This guy can make the plates. And you are doing ingot. And ingot. Now the power. Don't have a lot of cable. Let's quickly make a bit more cable. Ugh. I ran out a little. That should be enough for now. Okay, so we want this is the main distribution. And this was also distribution. Should I feed? What did I do there? I made those distributions that way. Ah, we're just hook this baby up for now. Grab a distribution point from this one to here. Distribute to shoot. This is temporary, so wait. That one's gonna connect the smelter. That there. And this one here. And I have miscalculated again. Okie dokie. Usually I'm better with power, but I am making such a mishmash here, it's not even funny. Okay. You over there, and you can be on top of that. And everybody? Alright, the ore is flowing. The ingots are flowing. Oh, damn it. Okay, I'll sort you out just in a sec. Iron plates are producing. Yeah, the rods are. Right. So that's two 15s combining to 30, being distributed into 10s, which is exactly what this needs to make 40 screws. Which will then feed into there. And there goes the power. What happened? Oh, right. These have not been filled up with material. Oh, dear Lord. Hold up. Did we max up? Did we max out? Oh, my dumbass didn't connect these ones up. Wow. Brain power. Oops. My bad, my bad. I made a oops. I'll fix it right now. Fire it up. There we go. Man, didn't have them in the circuits. That was stupid. What was that? Got the ratios down. Well, for the moment, for the simple stuff, I can get the ratios somewhat down using balanced loading and manifolds, but that's a whole other story when you get to the main stuff. The bigger goodies. I have a plan for a mini mega factory. Wait, let me just get my zoomies on. Okay, let's not zoom me too much and go flying. I'm going to use the location that Total Eclipse showed in these. Right? Is this the location? Yes. No? Maybe? Yes. I'm going to use this area here to make a mini mega factory. Bringing the materials in. I know that there is copper out here, and there is a lime somewhere out there as well. I do have this lime here as well. I've got two nice pure iron ore over there on that rock. These are two pure as well, which I can't use at the moment at max, so which is fine because I need to. I'm busy establishing, so it's fine. I need to do this, which requires rod, steel, and concrete. Do the concrete already. The rods I can do. Steel plates I need a little work on. I need to make the which requires reinforced plates. That's right, I need to get. Hence the screw production. Alright, I get an oopsie going on here. I'm gonna have to check what that is all about. They ran out of power, didn't they? I mean, yeah, sorry about that. Yep, they all need fuel. Hey, little guy. Okay. I'm gonna grapple that there. Yeah, it's close to my brandy's colors. Didn't get the exact swatch colors correctly yet, but let's just quickly just to make it. But I still need to do the buildings actually. They're still on default stuff. Right now, production. Trying to optimize the cut of the areas so I get as much material as possible in one shot without wasting too much fuel. Should have a nice amount of material. I'm going to prep the biomass burners. Oh, sorry, stretchy. Angel, hey buddy. Oh, shoot. Oh, sorry, I had a massive stretch. How you doing? Welcome in. Look what I'm playing. Guess who's going to get an invite when we chat about schedules? Oh. If you're interested, of course. Good, I'm glad to hear that, man. Make all this, then we're gonna make a solid biofuel. Get those burners back up and running. Sorry, I'm just checking. There's a message on my phone. No, nothing important. What are you streaming today, Angel? You're gonna be doing some power wash? I need more coffee. Okay, while this thing's going, sorry, I'm gonna get. Oh wait, I'm gonna make. There we go. So I'll make it solid biofuel. Sorry to leave you here with the banging, but I'm just gonna get a coffee again. Apologies. I'm back. Oh, you gonna make some coffee yourself, Angel? Hold up. I'm gonna fill these along because I'm losing production time here with this. What we're gonna do is we'll bounce around a bit too much then. Let's split these suckers up. Prime these ones with a little material. And we're gonna, oops, we're gonna put the rest of this in there. So we can distribute and fire everything up. So then that can carry on going while we make some more material. I grabbed the plate, I just realized.
Milestone reached. Several new structures are now available for improving factory organization. Foundations provide a building grid, which makes it easier to manage placement of any structure. In the event that you are experiencing amnesia for all events prior to planetfall, be reassured that memories of beloved humans and/or animals would have only been distractions from your important mission.
Thanks, Ada. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm thinking now. So much of this mass now, might as well actually. Yeah, I need reinforced plate. God damn it. Just noticed. Took me a while. What? It's gonna crush me. Quick and dirty. There we go. Yeah, we've got enough material just to keep going, and that should keep it going, and then I don't have to make a heap of solid biomass. Alright. We need cable production. Wonder if we should. Oh wait, we got this. We got that unlocked. Okay, cool. No, that could be later. This would be important. Yeah. Let's get that one going. Right, I still wanted to.
A baby could have found this.
Yes, Ada. The cable.
Yes, yes, well done.
Grab a bit of material. Swivel. Okay, let's see. I actually had enough material. Damn it. Oh, I got enough iron plates. Gotta make cable. Maybe I need it as a constructor here to make the odds and ends like I was doing earlier when I started. Sorry, Angel? What? In the hub is a color picture thing there. Huh? What in the hub? Oh yeah, I need a coffee cup first. I'm gonna still play this thing again. Sorry, Angel, I'm not quite getting what you mean. Sorry. What was I gonna do now? Right. Gonna do the parts assembly. There's a delay on the streamer. Okay, wait, I'm coming. Oh, hey. What am I looking for? I need to. What am I supposed to do again? Oh, I need to make the lamp still. Damn it. Reinforced plate. Oh, calendar. Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, no, I already did it. I already opened up all 10. Thanks. No, I was trying to figure out what you meant by calendar. I didn't see. All good, buddy. Thanks. Yes, I already got the opened up till today's date. What did I say? I needed 5 for the man? Yes, I need a 5. Okay. I'm going to just put you... Screw it over here for a moment. Just for now. Okay, I need to... yeah, I need a lot of grabby. Yeah. I still gotta relocate everything. Okay, I need this. Maybe that. This. And that. I'm going to break my neck. Coal. God, coal is fun. Alright, let's open up some stuff while we're busy here. I do not have the hog. I have Hatcher. I was going to say the same thing. You think to you?
Belong to a plant-like organism hosting the larva of the flying crab,
Sorry, I'll
the
have a
most
second.
mature of which hatch when threatened. Hatcher remains can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may reveal options for improving Pioneer safety during exploration.
This I want to be co-op. Me and the missus are going to play this. I decided to start today because I was a bit stuck with something else for today. So I thought I'll play some Satisfactory and set the groundwork so that I can start doing multiplayer co-op with people like my wife. And I was going to invite you and yours. What? Don't you? Okay. You got me there, mate. Hold up. Sorry, I'll get to the right thing eventually. Oh, it's invite only, just in case. Okay, let me open up the friends. It should be fine to do that. You don't have to, you can... Yeah, that did apply, sorry. You can do your own thing, it's fine. I wanted to talk to you about when you would like to thingy, but if you want to muck about in my save, I don't mind at all. But then I think I need to jump in your Discord. Also curious to see what the ping's going to be like. Hey chat, we're going to have one of our good friends hopefully be able to pop in here. We'll see if you'll be able to manage to play him. And yes, hopefully our ping is not too terrible. The spitter. Sorry, I just realized what might also be the problem. Hold up.
The remains research.
Hold up. The problem is I need to be online.
Aid and spit plasma across long distances. Spitter remains can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may reveal options for improving Pioneer safety during exploration.
I'm just gonna unlock this stuff quickly, see if you can get in. I do actually have some protein in here. So I should be able to unlock that too.
Research completed. Alien protein can now be turned into biomass or alien DNA capsules. In addition to being used for research, the invaluable alien lifeform data in these capsules can be traded for Fix-It coupons at the Awesome Sync. We guarantee the best capsule to coupon exchange rate anywhere on this planet.
Let me just check something setting right here. External apps will not affect the game volume. Communication apps, Discord will lower the game volume when others speak. Interesting. We won't be using internal chat. Just thinking out of the set up. Let me think while I unlock things. Oh, I have some Caterium as well. I did pick up a little bit. I have to go here.
metal has been named Caterium after Fixit's greatest.
Okay, I'll have to make ingots for that. You have this.
The mycelial networks of these fungi possess unusually resilient hyphae, which show potential for making a strong but lightweight natural fabric. Additionally, it has similar medicinal and pest control applications to mycelia on Earth.
Oh, wait, I had biomass on me. That's all probably will process by now. No, it's not. Oh shit, how much do they need? 100. Alright, I need to... Did you seriously just freaking... Give me... I always do it on the hilltop. That's stupid. Send it along. Let's just unlock that.
Research completed. Fabric recipe unlocked. New mycelia research available.
We already have that, but I can unlock it later. Okay, that's all that. Nutrients. Let's unlock this stuff. Do not have that.
This fruit, dubbed the beryl nut after its distinctive color, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further research is available.
Oh, slug.
This semi-slug, now dubbed power slug, is early in its life cycle and has retained only part of its potential energy storage capacity, giving it its blue color. Power slugs are capable of extracting preserve it in their porous semi-crystalline shell over their lifetime. This explains why they rarely move after having found a suitable location.
Yeah, my Steam was actually off. I put it on a little while ago, so I don't know if it hasn't refreshed for you yet. I do have quartz as one. Just research that. Let me think.
The crystalline mineral was a previously unknown variation of quartz, with uniquely large and flawless crystals, normally only found in synthetic quartz. The industrial application of this mineral will follow that of its synthetic counterpart, specifically in communication and exploration technologies.
Just looking here, I could invite you. I'll send you an invite on Steam, see what happens. Otherwise, rather stick to your schedule. I mean, you've got a stream you need to do, so... But I'll send you an invite, see if
The
it works.
purpose of Fixmas is to build and decorate a giant Fixmas tree with style. The Fixmas build menu. Gifts are the basic resource from which many other festive parts are made. Like Fixmas branches, which can be crafted in the constructor. In an effort to make this event meet the bare minimum efficiency quotas, I have disabled the ability to craft these resources by hand. Trust me, that glitter got everywhere. You're welcome.
Okay, I'm going to make a separate constructor so that I can just do random. I need plates. Got it. Need to download mod manager home. All right, I've got one mod on here for the problem we had with the glitches with the death crate. Sorry, forgot to warn you about that. Constructor. Where do I have an open? Let's just do it over here. Oh, right, can't do it from over here. Stupid. Okay, shoot. Adjusted myself here. Wait a minute, I don't need these two. Hold up. I don't need these two. So I could have actually built it over here though, but anyway. Screw it. Do I have presents on me? Yes, I do. Let that produce that for now, just to get I want the candy cane smackaroonie. Okay, this was for what? Parts assembly. Oh wait, I want to set up this over here. So that's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That requires plates. So I need to build a big old foundation down there. Okay, I'm gonna have to get more biomass. Ooh. Okay, cable production. Cable production. Wait, I need one of those. Hey, boy. I'm running around, little guy. Those. 300 of those. I actually do have plates and stuff on me already, so it's fine. Oh, bounced off that. Woo! Too far. Cable. So I can set it up. So I'm busy thinking about sound settings now. Fine. Well, that's producing. I need to open up that. So chat, I'm just going to see if I can set up settings so I can get to chat with Angel. Set the settings to sound. There we go. Make the input device wireless. Ow, that hurt. That can stay. Do that, then the chat is only there, but I can hear through that. And technically, gonna run a test now. I'm gonna jump into the chat. I'm gonna mute my stream chat for a sec. I will be back in a moment. Okay. I guess you can't hear me through that, so I've missed something up there. Oh, that's gonna get complicated. Hang on, I'm bouncing out. Close that for now. That should fresh. Okay, I'm back. I hope. Was I doing cables? So we can now do this. Rods.
Milestone reached. The assembler can produce more complex parts, including the first project part, smart plating, which is crucial for initiating project assembly. Project parts must be delivered to the space elevator. By completing your contracted duties as part of project assembly, you will definitely be helping achieve Fix-It Company goals without any other ulterior motive. Note: humans cannot craft project parts. Do not worry about your inadequate crafting skill when compared to an assembler. Fix-It cherishes your innate human abilities, such as walking, striking objects, and commodifying natural resources.
Sorry about that. I forgot to mute and clear my throat there. Okay. What was I doing? Selenium down there, nutrients I'm down there, power slug I'm down there, quartz I'm done. This I'm building up over here. I said thing wrong. Okay. Grab that. It's enough to unlock the candy cane basher.
Candy canes are used to create several items. In this case, when combined with the Xeno Zapper, you will gain a piece of equipment perfect for use against anyone on my naughty list. Like whoever hard-coded and black-boxed this event.
Okay, hang on, I'll get there now. I need to make candy canes. What was that? Candy canes. Oh, right. I need to. Oh, right. Yeah. This thing needs to stop making branches and make candy canes instead, which it needs presents for. There we go. Whoop! Overshot. That can go back there. That can go there. That can go there. That. That. Okay. Let me just see if fix this. I need candy canes and let's unlock that to go down, but I want the basher, that's what I was looking for. I need reinforced plates. Plates. It's gonna make 6 because I can't remember now what the hell I need. Okay, I need 2 zappers, which I have 1. So I need to make another zapper, which requires... Where did all my wire go? Did I put my wire away? No, I must have used it. Jeez. Damn. Okay, I need to go get wire. Crazy. Actually wondering... Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Let me quickly see about the. Just hold on for me for 1 second, chat. Need to bounce out here. Open this. I'm mostly gonna.
Hello? Don't feel computer-y or not? Yeah, I can hear you, but it's not on the broadcast thing. I need an update to that. Yeah, I need an update. Wait, I will be right back, okay? Give me a second.
Sorry, chat. Just sorting some sound out. What? What was I doing? I needed wire for something. I forgot why. Do any cables? No, I got cables. Oh, right. For Zapper, isn't it? Yes, here we go. Okay. Zapper, candy cane. I need candy cane. That's right. Perfect. 25. Just what I needed. And I have 2 zappers. What's happening here? Is this because I'm using the zapper? Yep, that was because I was using the zapper. There we go. Now we have that candy cane basher. This is nice. Okay. Now we can defend ourselves very well. Okay, let's see what else we need to. Sorry, trying to figure out some settings that are popping up here. Wait. Let's just. Let's get rid of this. Gonna bounce out of this. Close this. Close that. Back here. Back to game. Remove that. Angel, don't worry about coming in. Might have to internet stream in a bit. But if you're going to do Satisfactory, I'll come join you so we can do some testing and stuff on your side. I think it'll be maybe a better idea so we can work out the kinks. Because now I'm a bit lost where I am. I need to figure out what's next. It needs to produce a lot of stuff still. Let me hold in the spacebar for that. So yeah. So just hold up. I just want to put this back to invite to stop any surprises. That's to make those cartridges. The cartridges are used to unlock this, which I need to make bows, which I need candy canes for that. Oops. Just grab that. I'm going to do the last 15 touches here, and then I'm probably going to end the stream. So, yeah. Lock that.
Fixmas bows can be crafted from gifts in the constructor and can be combined with candy canes to make the candy cane decoration. Unfortunately for us both, this is only the first of several decorations, and you have been encouraged to spend your time and effort on these precision-engineered fleeting moments of joy.
I need to make 20 candy canes. And then bows after that. I'm going to need to get material to keep the power plants functioning. I'm not looking at the right number. 74. 106. It should be alright for a while. Me rather just grab some. I'll jump in your Discord as soon as I'm out of this. Angel, then we can chat. That was a waste. I don't have to use the fuel for that. Get the chainsaw out of our face. That's very dangerous sliding around with a chainsaw. Okay, now I can turn the mycelia into... Actually, wait. Do we still need mycelia for any research? Yeah, so I'd rather not turn the mycelia into biomass right now. I'll store it for later. Oh, no. Don't need to make it into biofuel, because that's what this is for. That's not a hell of a lot. Oh, I thought, there we go. Got push control. Okay, that should keep that going for a bit. Let's see what else is necessary on this whole. Alright, logistics 2 might be useful for things in the future. That will be also useful, but not right now. Jump pad, lost. Excuse me. Apologies. So we'll set this for the next milestone. We're going to have to make a reinforced plate plant. Let's see how far this is. Okay, I'll join you in a bit. Don't worry about joining mine. I'll come chat to you when after I end the stream, which will be soon. Okay, so don't worry. Bows. We need to make bows. What I want to know is, are you going to do Satisfactory, or are you going to do Power Wash Simulator? Either way, I'm going to chat to you afterwards. Just want to know which one you're going to do. Because if you want to do Satisfactory and you don't mind, I'll join you for a bit so we can test out the connection stuff. Otherwise, if you're doing Power Wash for your stream, by all means do that, and I'll catch up with you in the thingy. Factory. Okay. There we go. Run a bit of testing there. What are we sitting at? Yeah, no, I think that's... I'll just get these bows done to unlock that one thing, and then I'll be ending chat. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, you know what? I think this is where you're gonna call it. Let's get up here. Yeah, I think this is it then, yeah. Okay. That was fun. We've made some good progress. I'm just gonna do that, because I'm supposed to do that. I'm just gonna save while the screen changes over. Retro Max 13 to stream. There we go, saved. Oh no, thanks everybody. That was good progress, and thanks everyone for stopping by, all my supporters and friends, and thanks for the lurkers. It's all been good. I really appreciate all of you. I'm trying to find some similar, maybe would be better to look for. Maybe if somebody starts his stream, I can go jump into his. Nudge, nudge, wink, winks, Angel. Now let's see. These are all big people that won't give a rat's. You know, I'll play other games, not. I don't know the people of Satisfactory, but let's see if we can find. Oh, there's a French one. That's very far in the game. That's not English. Yeah, okay. It's side to an Aussie streamer. She's sweet and she does some nice fun things. I don't know what she's chatting at the moment, but anyway, her name's Anne Rage TV. Take care of yourselves. All the best. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. And thanks for being here. Have a good one. Cheers.